Hi guys, today we'll be talking a little bit about the updates going on with ZkSync. As you all know, this last couple of months have been absolutely crazy for airdrops with Dimension, Celestia, Altlayer, and everything else. But let's not forget the OG that we're still waiting for. The ZkSync era has launched almost a year ago from today. As soon as Arbitrum came, they vampire attacked Arbitrum liquidity and launched on March 24th. So they've been developing a lot, and in the next couple of months, we can expect, as market conditions are improving, that we finally get the token. Snapshot is still not taken as of official channels, so we'll be giving you an update on what are the dApps and what are the most efficient ways to actually get your transactions in. Because getting 2-in-1s, 3-in-1s, and 5-in-1s is the way to go. If you want to make money in airdrops, you need to do at least more than one wallet, let's say it like that. Why would you make four figures on one wallet if you can make the same amount on 10 plus? That just doesn't make sense. So yeah, we'll be covering the strategies. And in the end, one very important thing which we are realizing regarding multi-walleting, projects are not so keen to give one person a couple $1 million, obviously. We all know the guy with 600 Arbitrum wallets. He made like 2 million. So projects are becoming more and more sensitive regarding this. We actually have the guild, which is asking you to actually verify that you are human with Gitcoin passport. So maybe you don't need to go crazy with ZkSync. But again, it is all manageable if you are doing the right steps in the right order. So let's jump in. So a really quick overview of the dApps. So SyncSwap is still king, obviously, and they're deployed on 3 chains, both Linea and Scroll alongside ZkSync. And this is very important because you really want to be efficient when you're doing a certain amount of wallets, and you just want to make sure that you're covering your bases and as many layer 2s as possible at once. Zeroland is a new contender actually because they are already having their airdrop campaign, and all of our liquidity from Manta is already being staked there. So obviously they're gonna skyrocket in TVL, Jesus. And Mute has disgusting fees, but still kind of the third choice you have over there. But they already have a token, so my focus would definitely be on SyncSwap and Zeroland. However, airdrops are all about efficiency, so let's jump into some strategies that you can use to actually get 2-in-1s, 3-in-1s, and even 5-in-1s that we mentioned before. First and foremost, obviously, Merkley is still the top chain. I'm not going to cover it much because we've talked about it a lot, but you can literally get so many transactions in from just simply going on a chain that you want to go from. So in our case, it can be ZkSync, but many others. And then simply choose to which bridges, to which chains you're going to bridge your NFTs. So first you have to mint the NFTs, and then you choose which bridges to use. You can also do it manually, going one by one, but Turbo Bridge is just so time efficient, and especially in Rabbi Wallet, you just blitz through these transactions. Next up, we've got All2Finance with ZkSync partnership, because usually I'm not a big fan of these Galaxy Zeely nonsense, but in this case, when it takes about 30 seconds and it gets me transactions on multiple chains, yeah, count me in. All you gotta do is bridge from any chain that you want. You can even utilize something like ZkSync Lite, Linea Scroll, even Chroma. So you can get a 3-in-1 and basically bridge from any chain to ZkSync, follow them on Twitter, get in their Discord, and retweet a tweet. About 2 minutes of work, and it gets you a couple transactions in and potentially qualifies you for another tokenless bridge. As we all know, bridges are really hot right now, so no point missing on this one as well. Next up, we're talking about ZkStars. So this is like a multi-chain minting platform, something like Merkley, but you can qualify for multiple chains at once. We will be doing specifically stuff on ZkSync. So they're actually saying that this NFT has some kind of utility, but honestly, I'm not holding my breath. They're actually a means to an end, let's call it like that, because we can farm so many different chains at once. It's really fast and really time efficient. And it's the easiest way to actually get to the last step, which is Hypercomics, ZkSync Worker, Hustler, or King. And you can just get ZkSync transactions in the fastest and smoothest way here. So first thing to do would be to choose the amount that you're missing to 30. No, I'm joking. Put as many as you want. You just go mint NFT and it's gonna queue for 15 transactions at once. Just confirm them one by one. It's, oh my God, 77 cents. Didn't used to be so much before, but all right. Anyway, try to aim for when gas is like a little bit less. Again, it's ZkSync, so you'll get a lot of feedback, but still Saturdays, Sundays, best time to do all these interactions. And once you have done your transactions, let's say that we've done all of them now, they're 14 queued, you would basically fill up your transactions for ZkSync and qualify for the Hypercomics special NFT. We have Bridge Week going on right now, so if you have used the ZkSync for more than 2 months, then you will be able to qualify for the first criteria. But you have first transactions and then the time criteria as well. We will also have the dApp Hustler, so dApps on ZkSync that's coming next week. So yeah, that's pretty much everything about ZkSync. Don't forget to also join their guild because Proof of Humanity is becoming a thing. Gitcoin Passport is probably going to become more and more relevant. Proof of Humanity, we're not going to be able to multi-wallet with 50 wallets anymore probably soon, but while we still can, we definitely need to utilize this in a moral and sensible way. So that's all for the updates for today. If you like the content, like and subscribe. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. And if you're ready to make 2024 amazing and join a community of proper airdrop hunters who are really smashing it over the last couple months, maybe even half a year now, feel free to join us in our Discord. We'll wait for you there and succeed together. Have a great day. Till next time.